So how to install your quick awning brackets from Offroad Animal. Comes with 3. Highly recommend you use all 3. If you have a very short roof rack, you can use 2, but for the weight of a lot of these awnings, 3 is best. So what we generally do is we put the 3 brackets on the roof rack where you want to situate them and put them all so they're level. So the height of each bracket is the same. So get yourself a level, go all the way across. Then what you do is you put your brackets roughly the same distance apart on your awning and you leave the bolts loose. So the first time it does take a little bit of hassle getting it through, but once you do that once, you spend that time once, it is super easy from then on. So I've gotten those tight, I've made sure they're square and made sure they're straight. So with these loose, I can then lift up the awning. And basically I'm sitting the bolt in on the top there and making sure it slides down. Once it's in and the awning's on, I then jump on top and I can tighten all the bolts that are onto the awning, and then it's done. So then it can come on and off easy, and put my pins in and away we go. It's that simple.